Oh, 1, 2, 3.
It came upon the midnight clear, that glorious song of old, from angels blending near the earth to touch their harps of gold. Peace on the earth, goodwill to men, from heaven's all gracious King. The world in solemn stillness lay to hear the angels sing.
Still through the cloven skies they come with peaceful wings unfurled. Yet still their heavenly music floats o'er all the weary world. Above the silent lonely plains they bent on hovering wing, and over earth's gravel sound the blessed angels
And ye beneath life's crushing load, whose forms are bent